So welcome to PhotoPea, and here we will be doing similar things that we did in a previous lecture in Affinity Photo, and we will be making a thumbnail right here using our template. Remember, PhotoPea is actually almost full-fledged Photoshop, so you can use it for your own thumbnail templates and things like that. So what I will do is I'm gonna just open a template on my computer. I'm gonna use this template because this is actually one of the easier ones to work with. Immediately, as you will see, it works. It operates in very similar way as it was operating in Affinity Photo. You can do the Control-Z, Control-V, everything like that, and you will see everything how it actually works in a similar way that it works in Affinity Photo. What we will also do is I will actually upload the similar image that we did in a previous thumbnail tutorial to just make it seem as close to that as possible. Okay, that's basically the same image, and I'm gonna try to put it same way. I want to put it right here, and I'm gonna create a clipping mask. I'm gonna delete this image. I don't need this girl's image right there. I'm gonna delete the yoink as well because I actually don't need that. And what I will do is I will actually resize the image, put in transform, click transform controls right here, so it would be everything. It would be visible. I made it a bit tilt. Hold in shift when you're resizing it, because otherwise it will change its shape. Again, it's not enough. I'm gonna hold shift and make it like that. Remember, in a previous thumbnail we did something similar. We did right here. Then we are going to go with the title, and we are going to add a text. We selected the text tool. It's behind my face. If you want to see, I'll show you just again. It's behind my face right here. The text tool is right here, and I'm gonna add a text. And you know what I will do is, let's see, we have a Bebas as a font. See if you have preloaded. Yes, we have Bebas new here, but do we have the bold font? We don't. You know what, let's load the bold font as well. Okay, we loaded the bold font. It will be available next time that we'll use this, but you know what, right here we actually can use this. And let's write the text is video editor. I'm gonna select this one. You cannot see this here because it's right very small and very black text, and actually I didn't select the bold font right here. And let's make it white. Go to selection. Actually, we didn't make it white, but okay, whatever. Hold shift. It's actually wrong text. It's video editor right here. I'm gonna make this text disappear, and for some reason I have a B video editor. It's no worries, we can fix that. It's all changeable, all fixable. Can fix that. It's not an error. I'm gonna do that again. Actually, it's a bit difficult for this one. Video editor. Okay, center it. Okay, it's centered automatically. Very good, very good. Go to text again. Select entire text, give it a color white, press OK, go to selection again, and as you can see, we will do clipping mask here as well for it to clip to this one. You know what? No, we're gonna delete this one. We're gonna clip it to right here, and we will make this disappear, and we will just Control-C, Control-V. We actually made selected the very wrong layer. We will delete the clipping mask for now. Control-C, Control-V, the same place. We're actually making entire layer. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna press Option and just make it slide like that. By the way, if you don't know how to do that, well, what I did right here is that you're gonna press Option, or you're gonna press Alt and just make the selection like that, and you can make this double selection the same way. Video editor struggles, and just make this one using Shift a bit larger. Okay, and you know what, I don't see, make this one like that. And in a video editor, I'm gonna select this text again, and you know what, I'm gonna make this yellow in color instead of white, and I'm gonna move it to the middle. And well, as you can see, we practically did that. We practically finished, and as you can see, we practically did everything that we needed. It's all practically done. All that we need now is to make this a bit different. We can add an adjustment layer right here, and I'm gonna go with vibrance, and yeah, let's make this one a bit more vibrant and a bit more saturated, just like that. And well, that's practically it. I won't lie to you, that's all that we need to do. It's done. As you can see, we made it very fast. As you can see with the thumbnail template that we just loaded right here, it's as simple as it is in Affinity Photo. With a little bit of changes, you can just make exactly the same thumbnail that I did right here and right now. Indeed, let's select this one. disable transform controls. And how do you like that? How do you like this thumbnail that we did in free browser-based photo editing or photo manipulating, if you want to call it, software? It was done for absolutely free. All we needed is a template. That's all that we did. And all I did is just make a photo of myself, same way, and that's it. So that's as simple as you can get. And in PhotoPea, it actually allows you to create great thumbnails. All you need to do is just, again, have an idea, and before that you will start creating, you should know what you're creating, and then continue as you go and edit as you go. That's all there is. There is nothing more about thumbnails. Thumbnails is not a complicated science. The science of repeating and learning from your own mistakes and building on the things that actually work. Oh, this will be it for this lecture, and I guess let's move to the next one. And as promised, here is an amazing offer that I want to give to you, only to my students. Don't worry, there will be something for everyone, even if you're here for some free goodies. And I want to introduce to you two of my products. One is YouTube Thumbnail Template Pack, and another one is free thumbnail template. With my thumbnail template pack, which is called the Nyxson's Thumbnail Template Pack, you're getting 10 fully editable, fully fledged thumbnail templates that can be edited in any raster-based software. Can it be whether it's Adobe Photoshop, Affinity Photo, or even websites like PhotoPea. Exactly the same way like I showed in one of our previous lectures. You'll get 10 PSD files and you can edit them however you want. Oh, and everything that you'll need for this thumbnail template, all the fonts and things like that, will be linked on the product page as well. And most importantly, only to my students, I'm giving exclusive 80% discount. You're getting 80% exclusive discount code. And for the price that you will be getting this, it's a steal. Just use the code that you see on the screen right now during a checkout and you will get access to this 80% discount. So what you'll get 10 fully editable thumbnail templates, all the future updates for these thumbnail templates that are actually coming if it's not already there. And in the very near future, you're gonna get access to much more thumbnails. Oh, and don't worry, all the updates will be absolutely free for all the owners, and you will be notified when the update will come. And for my friends who cannot afford this, even though it's dirt cheap, still, I got you. I'm giving away one free thumbnail template for no charge, basically. And this is actually a thumbnail that is included in a full pack. You can say that it's some kind of demo version for you to understand whether it's a good thing for you or not. And all the links will be included in the resources of this lecture. I hope you will find this thumbnail template pack a very useful asset, and for the price that I'm providing it to you, it's practically a steal. So yeah, I'm absolutely sure that it will be very useful for you. And I guess this will be it for this lecture. Thank you for being here with me, and I'm gonna see you in the future courses. See ya, and take care.